Today, we show how to buy shares of Mgi Digital Technology SA, a company that supplies industrial digital printing and finishing equipment for labels and packaging. It trades on Euronext under the ticker ALMDG.PA, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account. This typically requires an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search field and enter the ticker ALMDG.PA to find the listing. Select the matching result to ensure you have located the correct company share. On the asset page, check the brief company description and the live price chart to confirm it is Mgi Digital Technology SA. Make sure the exchange shows Euronext and the ticker ALMDG.PA before proceeding. Click Investor Buy, choose the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed according to market rules, and if you lack funds, the platform will request you add them before confirming. After the purchase, your position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it there. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to visit the platform.